Good morning, Michael Walsh and Roger Norgal Hill. Welcome to Norwell Farm. Thank you for joining us today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, ring the notification bell, and hit the like button if you would, please. That helps our channel. And leave us a comment and share this video with a friend. This is an update. It's been about a week after the major snowstorm and the deep freeze. Temperature is about 11 or 12 degrees today. Feels like a heat wave. Couple things. One, I've rearranged the hay in here. We sent all the moldy hay back and we bought 14 bales, and that's the new hay there. We've fed, let's see, there's 6, 8, 9, so we have fed 5 bales of that. It's high quality alfalfa. It's kind of stemmy, but they're eating it pretty well. I'm going to go to the hay auction tomorrow and try to get some good quality grass hay or mixed grass legume hay. And I want to try to buy in another 30 to 36 bales probably. And I moved this over here. There's straw up there so we can access the straw. I want to stack it right in this area. I'll leave a little walkway between it so we can get back to storage back there. Because this over here, right where this bale of hay is and all these boards are, over to that post, I got to get another sheet of plywood and put over there. This is where we're going to bring the does and the ewes to have their kids. So I'd like to be able to come over to this edge here, but I'm not sure how much space I'll have. It's going to take 2 widths of bales coming out, but we'll see. It should work pretty well. So that's the plan today. Construction update on the house. They've set in the LP tank. That's for a temporary furnace that will heat the inside while the workers work on that. They installed the furnace Wednesday, but it broke. They came out today and couldn't get it going again. It's a used furnace. It's a temporary one. In the meantime, we're running a kerosene heater just to keep the severe chill out of the building. It shouldn't be a problem. They got the fireplace installed. It's a gas LP. I believe it's not hooked up yet. There's the heater right there. The furnace. So glad they got the waterproof wrap on the roof so we don't get any snow or rain in here. And the iron workers or design people were out today to take a look. They're going to design the awnings that will go on the outside across there. So that's where we are right now. Hopefully they get the furnace going and they can start on the heating, and they're not heating, but well, they'll run some of the duct work, and plumbers can start working again, and electricians come out and start their work. So that's where we are on the house. Filled up the mineral feeders, and they're eating quite a bit of this mineral, which is good. It's very high quality. It contains some yeast additives, help promote rumen digestion and health. So glad to see them eating that. I filled up that feeder today. The goats, there's only 11 goats, and then Heidi eating on that. So she counts for probably 3 sheep or goats. So there's half as many on that feeder as there on this one. I have a second feeder outside the paddock, but obviously we can't use that, so I have to fill this more often. But it was nearly, probably 2/3 empty today, so I threw the stubble and stems that were left, I threw that out, and they sift through that, and they'll use that for bedding. Then I refilled the feeders, and as you can see, the dogs are very comfortable. It's about 10, 11 degrees today, no wind, so it's a good 20 to 30 degrees warmer than it has been. Sheep are all comfortable, and goats as well. They're have free choice on the feed. And like I said, we're going to go to the hay auction tomorrow and try to get some high quality hay there as well, pick up some more. Just took a little time, kind of sit down here and see what the sheep are doing. They're all kind of coming up here. This is number 19. Like I said, all the ones with the 9s are the tamer ones. They like to be petted, but everybody else is calming down too. So they're curious. The Dorpers are very curious, friendly. She likes to have her head rubbed. We're about 6 weeks out from having the goat babies. They're due on the last of February, first part of March. Then the first lambs are due on or about March the 10th. And that starts with the Texel U with Shirley. Balance of them, most of them will be due in April. We're going to ultrasound again on the 1st of February, the ones that we didn't do before. Everything's working pretty well. They're eating that hay pretty good. They pick through it, but it's the best we got for now. So anyway, thanks again for joining us at Narwhal Farm, and have a great day.